Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to another week here. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Difficult to say that with everything that it's happening on the Middle East. Very difficult. Um yeah, all my support to everything that it's on Israel. I know David that always watch the stream. It's over there. Um yeah, very difficult to say that today. But I don't know how the market is gonna move today. It's maybe it's gonna be choppy. We have the war on the Middle East, and today's it's a holiday also. I thought the market was gonna be closed today. I think it's Columbus Day. Maybe low volume day today. So when we have a holiday, low volume on Monday, holidays on Monday or Friday, most of the time the market is just choppy. But let's see, because also we have a lot of things that are at key levels of resistance or and support. But yeah, I don't know why the Discord app is not working. I don't know. I've been having trouble the past. Like I couldn't open Discord on Friday and today also it's not working. I don't know why. Um, so to show you guys what's my watch list for today, let me see if I can do it on the website application on Discord. Yeah, I have it here. So okay. So for today, for this week, I have RTX and GD, which these two charts might move with everything that is happening on the Middle East with the war there. So these two are just put alerts there, and I'm just gonna be mindful of certain levels. Meta, I like Meta if it can hold 310 support. Apple, we need to watch Apple 178 and 174 to see if it's gonna act as resistance or as support and how it's gonna react on those two levels. And I like AMD 105 level. I wanna see it holding as support. So yeah, let's see how the market's gonna move today. Morning, guys. Welcome. Yeah, I'm back. I almost skipped today because I don't think today is a good day to trade. Honestly, I think it will be better just to wait and see how the market is gonna digest everything that is happening. Okay, so GD it's at 229. That was the level that I wanted to see GD uh breaking and use it as support. We need 230 to be act as support. But right now it's just there. Morning. So yeah, today I'm gonna be very patient. Okay, let's see if GT is gonna hold 230. We have Meta 312. I wanna see Meta holding 310, 312. And Apple is right in the middle. AMD 105. Around 105 is the level that I wanna see holding. The Q is at a very important level that I want to see holding. 362, we want to see holding 362, 361.60. Okay, okay, and that it's also very important for 30 here. Those are two like important chart, like news related. They're just moving because of the war. Mm, I like 235 contract weekly for GD, but I don't know if I want to trade this thing with it's 15,000% up. And the 232.5 is 23,000% up. So LMT 430 needs to hold here. That's a key level here. And GD 230, 227. I'm gonna go with 230 GD weekly. It's a high risk play, but I'll do like it. It's only news related. My stop loss is gonna be 226. Yeah. So my stop loss is around 226 and my first PT is 236. LMT can be another one. I'm not gonna play this one because it's pretty much the same as GD and the stock price is 430. So I think options are probably gonna be more expensive. Ooh, and I missed my entry here for to play the downside. Let's see if it's gonna try to retest 361.40 pre-market low, so I can enter here with futures. AMD under 105, it can be a good put play. If holds 105 at support, it can be a good call play, but first of all, I want to see the Q like holding above 362, 361.70. Okay, let's see. If the Q reject here, I'm gonna play the downside here on futures. Even though I think it's a little bit risky because SPY it's holding. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Watch AMD 105. Meta it's also holding 312, which I think is very bullish. I think I like more Meta here than AMD. But still, I'm gonna be watching AMD, but Meta is right. I'm at support level. I think it's the Q is under 361. It's right. It's kind of looking bearish here. It's rejecting. Let's see if it's gonna regain here, but it's having problem here. But its buy, it's looking bullish. Let's see. I'm looking for Meta 315 contracts, but I think they're kind of expensive. $500 for a Meta contract, I think it's a little expensive. Let's see here. I kind of want to play the downside here, but I think it's kind of holding this support, this level here as support. I'm gonna enter to play the downside here. Wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let's see what Apple is doing. Apple is doing nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna play. I enter there to play the downside. With 4. Let's see. I don't love it, but I don't know. I only have 4 micros. It's just very small position, but let's see. I feel like the market is not even moving. It's like very, very slow. Yeah, I know GD has a big spread. I know. Meta was a good one. Mm, let's see. Yeah, I'm out. I don't like that. Looking bullish now. Let's see how the 5-minute candle is gonna close. And depending on that, if closes holding the VWAP as support, I'm gonna go and play the upside here. I got AMD weekly 107. My stop loss is gonna be under 105. I like that hold on 105. 105, 106. But the play was Meta. Meta was the play to enter. It was right at my support level here. Yeah, Columbus Day today, maybe choppy. I don't know. We maybe have a choppy day today. I don't know. Okay, let's see if. Okay, it's above pre-market high. We need to hold up here. Okay. Above pre-market high is very bullish. We want to see it holding at least 362.50. I got 2 micros there because I like how the daily is looking here. It's using previous resistance as support after a huge breakout on Friday. So I like that. I like that hold. Okay, so I have 5 micros. NQ. GD looks like it's just consolidating and it looks like a flag. Let's by the way, the person that commented that I was mad because I took Friday off, and if you're watching here, I'm gonna tell you that I'm gonna take many, many more Fridays off, and in December, I'm gonna take so many days off because December is a very low volume month. So if you don't like that I'm taking some days off, you better like unsubscribe or block me or just don't watch the stream because I'm gonna take way more day off in the futures. In the future, this is a free this is a free service that I'm doing, so I can pretty much do whatever the heck I want. So if you're getting mad just because I took one Friday off and because I was sick, that's why I took it off. You're gonna be mad a lot more times because in the futures you're gonna see me skipping a lot more Fridays. And again, on Christmas, I'm gonna take days off. So if you cannot like um trade without me, I think that's a big, big problem for you. If you need me to trade, you're doing it wrong. Thanks, Sam. Okay. Okay, so far the queue looks pretty bullish. Now we need to break 364 and then 366. I want to see AMD breaking pre-market high and using it as support. And I really appreciate you guys being here every single day, liking the video, subscribing. Like, it's very important to me, but it's just, I don't understand people that make those comments on a free service. Like, how can you, like, be like that? Okay, so we want to see the Q holding pre-market high as support. Um, yeah, around 362.70. If from here we just go back down, it just means we're gonna have a very choppy day. And I don't think it's worth trading. Yeah, you're right. I should like just forget about them and not pay attention to haters. That's why I don't like social media. Because people can say whatever they want and they hide behind a fake um username. So GD is looking great. Damn, Meta's crazy strong. Meta was the one. Meta was the play. Anybody on Meta on that 312 hold? That was a very good one. Ooh, GD, beautiful. AMD is doing nothing, but as long as it's above 105, I like it. And I like how the Q is holding here also above pre-market high. Oh yeah, banks are closed, right? It's a bank holiday. Meta is about to enter a gap. It has a gap here. Let's see how I see. So even if you didn't catch Meta, Meta could be another, like it can give you another entry if can break 319, 318.50 and use it as support. It has a gap to fill all the way up till 322.70, 322.60. So the 318.50 on Meta could be another good entry. You need just a break and then retest of that level. And then you have all this blue area to play the upside. But so far, it's rejecting. Apple is holding very, very good. Let's see. I want to see AMD hold, move in here. It's not looking too bullish. Um, if loses pre-market high support, that will be my yeah, that will be my my why to get out of my future play. But honestly, from here to 361, it's a lot, like a huge move for a futures play. But I think as long as the Q is holding this level here, like this morning low, pre-market low, I think it's very bullish because look the daily chart. Look, the daily chart's been like 361, 362. It acted in the past as resistance. It got broken very like with a very bullish candle on Friday. So right now it's just doing a break, retest with previous resistance. Now it's acting as support. So I think as long as 361.70, 362 are like holding a support, I think it's very bullish. But I don't love that it's just holding here. I want like a bigger move, like a little bit faster move higher. But again, as long as it's holding pre-market high, 361, 362 support, I think it's bullish. AMD is weak. It's way weaker than the other stocks, like the other tech stocks, which I don't like. But I had to play this 105 level. Maybe AMD today it just stays around here and doesn't do much, maybe. But today is Monday, so as long as it's holding 105, I'm gonna hold my calls. What's this doing? CRWD. I had this one also on my watch list. Ooh, yeah, but it never. So this is what I had on my watch list here. This one. Um, I wanted a retest of 172, 172.50, but it never went there. It just opened above Friday high and just went up. But yeah. This one I really like this one, but with a retest of 172. It just went crazy without my retest, without retesting my level. 236, 237, it's my main PT here. Um, so I'm gonna take a little bit of profits here, and then it has a little gap around 240. It has a lot of resistance here. Like look all these choppiness here. So yeah, 236.50 around there. I'm gonna take a lot of profits there, and then I'm gonna leave some runners to see for the rest of the week to see what's gonna do there. Because with the war on the Middle East, this thing can like really boom boom. I know the spread was kind of, it was very wide, but I just needed to get in on this one. Okay, let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close there. I added one more. That's risky. But again, as long as it's holding this level here, I'm bullish. 105, AMD is losing 105, which I don't like that. Let's see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close here on AMD. It closes under 105, 104.70. I'm gonna get out. That's a very ugly candle here. Ugly. Mm -mm -mm -mm. Yeah, of course, Nvidia is gonna be very weak because the Q is going lower. Everything's gonna be weak. Mm. But it's Nvidia is still holding 440. So above 440 is bullish. Needs to lose 440. Nvidia. Hmm. So it looks like we're gonna have a very choppy morning so far. We still have on the Q and SPY, we have a gap to fill above that it was created overnight. But I don't know, the market looks just weak. Right now it's looking weak, even though in the morning went higher and it's holding support, but it's looking weak. But as long as it's holding my level, I'm not gonna get out. Apple is looking very weak, which probably not gonna help the market to go higher. Yeah, if the market just like it's gonna chop around, and I'm honestly not gonna keep trading because I don't think I knew today was gonna be like this. Like I was about to skip trading today because I knew it was gonna be choppy. And this is why I don't trade on Fridays and I don't trade on days that I know it's gonna be choppy, because choppy days when you lose the most. You think it's gonna go one way and then you buy that way and then you get stop out and then you buy the other way and then you get stop out too. So choppy days are the easiest day to lose money. At least GT is making me happy here. Morning, morning. GT is making me happy. And honestly, I like this. I really like this hold on the queue. I like this hold on the queue so far. The 30-minute candles are looking bullish. It closes like this. Guys, Meta is at 319, went down, break and retest here. If it goes down to 318.50 and it holds there, that's a perfect entry to scalp this gap fill. I'm not gonna take it because I already have a lot. I have AMD, I have GD, I have futures, but it's a good entry. Mm, But Spice, it's the one that I don't like how it's looking. Well, we'll see. I like GT is holding my level as support so far. So it's looking bullish. Apple is looking weak. The market's just choppy, it's not doing anything. Hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna take a lot of profits on GD because I see it's rejecting my level there. GD is over 150%. Yeah, levels are very, very important. That's why, yeah, when you have a strong level, you need to play those levels. Even if it goes against you, that was the best entry at your level. Of if you're playing the upside, playing calls here. If you're playing the downside, playing puts under that break and retest level. GD gap. Yeah, probably. I do like that gap on GD. I don't think there is a reason why GD shouldn't keep going higher. And yeah, that gap is till 242, 241.90 around there. Where is it? Here. go around here. The gap, it's like this. That's awesome. That's awesome. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your Monday. Yeah, so gap, kind of like this. I also like that AMD is holding very good and the Q also holding very good. So I think we're good. As long as the Q is holding that morning low, pre-market low, and AMD holds 105, I'm gonna hold my positions. I like Meta how it's looking. Meta's looking pretty bullish. Mm, 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 mm. Okay. I want to see the market doing something like honestly, guys, if it is 11, like I'm gonna give it till 11 o'clock. If the market just chop around here and it's 11 o'clock, I'm just gonna get out and stop trading for the day because I don't want to be sitting here the entire day just watching the market do nothing. Like, it's just not worth it. I'm going with Meta 325 weekly. Um, my stop loss is gonna be the VWAP. I want to play that gap fill. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So my stop loss on Meta is gonna be pretty much the VWAP around 316. I'm gonna give it room. Room. But if you had a good morning, I wouldn't be trading anything else, honestly. Look, this type of move, it means the market it just doesn't want to go higher, but also doesn't want to lose support. So it means we're just gonna chop around the entire day. Mm, 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 mm. If GT loses, I will say VWAP, I'm gonna get out. Mm, 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 mm. This is starting to get boring. I honestly just waiting and see if the queue can fill this overnight gap. And that's it. Same with Spy. Spy has a little bit smaller gap to fill. The queue is kind of bigger, but I don't know if it's really gonna fill this gap. But if it fills the gap, I'm gonna get out of all the futures play and done with my day. Coca-Cola and Pepsi, Creamian Reserve. It doesn't matter. I don't trade with you shouldn't have any bias. You only need to trade what the market is telling you. The market is not saying that it's gonna sell off. In fact, I think the market holding, like the Q holding above a strong support is bullish with everything that is happening. So remember, Sam, Do not trade on what doesn't matter what we believe. It doesn't matter what I believe the market's gonna do. Only what matters is what the market is showing you. It's not looking strong, but also it's not really looking weak. So I don't think playing puts is wrong. I don't think playing calls also is wrong. It's just what I believe is that today is not a day to be trading. And the best thing you can do if you got like a little bit green is just get out and enjoy your day. I'm honestly here because I'm holding that futures play because I if I didn't have that futures play, I'll be out. Mm, mm, mm. Spy looks like it's hanging like a little bit like on a thread. Like it looks like it wants to like just die right now. But it keeps holding. Like right now AMD is looking great. It's the one that I like the most. AMD. It looks like it wants to boom boom, but it just need the market to go higher. Let's see how futures look. NQ. GT is holding very good. Yeah, energy oils are gonna be climbing with the war. Tech, I don't think tech it's like good play right now unless is like cyber security. Let's see if the Q is gonna hold here. If it doesn't hold here, technically it should go lower, but I'm not gonna play anything else. If stop me out, I'm just gonna finish. I'm just gonna end my trading day. Let's see if Meta is gonna hold VWAP. If Meta can't hold VWAP, I'm gonna get out Meta. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Okay. Um, let's see if Spy is looking very weak. If Spy loses this level here, 427.50, it's definitely gonna go way lower. And same with the Q. The Q loses this 361.50. We're gonna go way lower. Okay, I'm getting out of Meta here. Mm-mm. Okay, I'm just waiting here and see if it's gonna lose the morning this base here or mm, it's gonna hold, break it down. GT is holding. Looks like what's just like break and retesting previous resistance here. 90 MA is acting as support, but it looks like it's not moving. Nothing is really moving. Ooh, and Meta stopped me out and it's holding VWAP. Went over VWAP again, but I'm fine. I don't want to keep like watching this market here. Freaking Meta stopped me out. Bye, S. Have a great day. Yeah, this is not a day to be trading. Thank you, Sam, for being here. Thank you. Bye. So yeah, the market is doing nothing. See you. Uh, the only trade that it was good, it was GD. Even though AMD is still holding 105, but it's looking weak. The market is looking weak. Yeah, inside candles there, you're definitely right. Inside candles there, they are very choppy days. So, yeah, remember to hit the like button. It helps a lot with the channel. So, okay, I'm on this trade, but I honestly think that the market is looking very, very weak. I'm just holding because I feel like I should just follow my plan. And as long as it's holding my support, I kind of feel like still holding. I want to see if it keeps holding my support. It maybe gives me another bounce so I can get out of here, maybe flat, but it doesn't look like it's gonna do that. Let's see. Mm. Okay, so let's see how this candle. Yeah, I got out. It's an ugly candle there. Yeah, I'm not gonna keep trading here, guys. Like, this is not market that we want to trade. And look, it's gonna hold, maybe. Yeah, I'm done for today. I'm not gonna keep trading here. So, um, okay, so I'm still gonna hold GD. I think GD is very bullish. I'm not gonna sell that. I'm not gonna sell my weeklies unless it loses 230, 229. That's my stop loss on GD. Um, my AMD, as long as it's holding this morning low, I'm gonna keep holding 105, 104.50, no, 105, 104.70. It's my stop loss. So as long as it's holding 105, 104.70, I'm gonna hold AMD. And GD, I'm gonna hold unless it loses 229. That's my stop loss on GD. Yeah, pretty boring day for me, red day for me. On futures, I'm green on options thanks to GD. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna keep trading here. So see you tomorrow. Thank you for being here. See you back tomorrow.